It's Valerie. It's a wonderful day outside. Today I want to share with you this video, short video on making a quick and healthy breakfast smoothie. This is something I do every day, and I can tell you it gives energy, it makes you feel full, and it's a complete meal. So I just want to share with you today how I make my quick and healthy breakfast smoothie that I start my day with every day. Okay, so let's get started. Just okay, hope you can see everything I have here on my table. Okay, so we're going to start with, I have here my VitaMix that I'm going to be using, and the base of my smoothie will be my oatmeal. I love my oatmeal. It's like 2/3 cup of old-fashioned oatmeal. Old-fashioned. Next, I want to add my almond milk. It's about 1.5 cups of almond milk. I don't really stick to measurements really. I just eyeball, throw my stuff in. Okay, I also have, this is something I like to use. My daughter hates it. I put peanut butter in it. Yeah, I add some peanut butter to my smoothie. It's protein, y'all. I think I'd much rather use almond butter, but most of the times I use peanut butter. Okay, I have here just a handful of blueberries, frozen. A handful of strawberries, frozen. And you can use whatever berries that you have around. I also add a handful of walnuts. Sometimes I use almond nuts too. Any nuts I have around, I'm going to be throwing that in. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And I love almond essence. It just gives this fresh taste, you know, flavor to your smoothie. So I'm gonna just, it's strong. So I'm just gonna use like just a little bit. It's not even 1/4 teaspoon. Just a dash. Okay. Now here's the kicker. I have here my grinder, and I like to put these whole grains in. So this is about 1 tablespoon of flaxseed that I'm going to be grinding. Little pumpkin seed, and about 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Grounded, and I'm going to be just tossing this in. Yep. I am going to put in 1 banana. One banana, and I think I want a little bit more almond milk. If you like sweet smoothie, you could perhaps put in a date or two. I don't like anything too sweet. Okay. And here we go. real good. Yeah. Mmm. To die for. Hope you enjoyed this short video today. Go ahead, try it. It's really good. It's healthy, it's filling, and it's a good start to your day. Gives you energy. So next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, so you can get all my videos that I'll be doing on healthy tips. I have quite a few. We'll be doing a lot more smoothies and energy drinks, and especially those that to boost your immune system. So hang in there with me. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video of such. So thank you for watching and look forward to our next video. Bye. Enjoy.